Well, today I am going to tell you one story. The story is all related to unity. Once upon a time, there was an old man who lived in village with his three sons. Although his three sons were hard workers, however they quarreled all the time. The old man tried to unite them, but he failed. Months passed by. The old man got sick. He tried and tried to unite them, but they was not able to listen what his father is trying to say. At the moment, the old man decided to teach a lesson to them. The old man called his three sons and said, "I will provide you with a bundle of sticks. Separate each and break it into two pieces. The one who finishes the first will be more rewarded than others." The sons did as asked. They break the sticks within minute. The old man said, "The game is not yet over. Now I will provide you with another bundle of sticks together as a bundle, and now you will have to break as a bundle." The sons readily agreed, and they were all trying. They were all trying to break the sticks, and after that they said about their failure to the father. The old man said, "My dear sons, breaking one sticks or separate sticks is a piece of cake for you, but breaking as a bundle, it's tough for you. You could not do. So if you stayed united, nobody can harm you. But if you quarrel all the time, anyone can defeat you easily." The sons understood the power of unity and promised their father that they would all stay together. All in all, the moral of the story is there is strength in unity. That's it.